The Three Laughing Monks. In ancient China, there was a small village nestled in the mountains. The people of this village were hardworking but often troubled by worries, conflicts, and daily struggles. Despite their beautiful surroundings, a sense of unhappiness lingered in the air. One day, three monks arrived at the village. No one knew where they came from or what their names were. These monks were not like the others the villagers had seen before. They didn't preach or teach. They didn't beg for food or offer blessings. Instead, they simply stood in the village square and laughed. Their laughter was infectious, full of joy and mirth. They laughed loudly and heartily, as if they had discovered some great secret. The villagers were puzzled at first, but soon, the monks' laughter began to spread. It was impossible to resist. One by one, the villagers found themselves chuckling, then laughing out loud. The monks stayed in the village for several days, doing nothing but laughing. As they laughed, the villagers started to let go of their worries and differences. The tensions between neighbors began to dissolve, and the village became a happier place. Eventually, the monks' laughter seemed to have healed the village, and the people felt a deep sense of peace. But just as suddenly as they had arrived, one of the monks died. The villagers, now attached to these mysterious monks, were shocked and saddened. They expected the other two monks to stop laughing, to mourn their friend. But instead, the two remaining monks laughed even harder. This confused the villagers even more. One brave villager asked, "Why are you laughing?" "Your friend has just died." Through their laughter. One of the monks replied, "We are laughing because he has finally succeeded. For years, we have traveled together, spreading laughter and joy. Our friend was the first to achieve what we all strive for, enlightenment. He has moved on, and now it is our turn to celebrate his journey." The villagers were deeply moved by this. They realized that the monks had brought them a great gift. A lesson in the power of joy and the impermanence of life. The two monks, after staying a little while longer to share more laughter, finally left the village. As they departed, the villagers continued to hear their laughter echoing through the mountains. A reminder that happiness is a choice, and that even in the face of death, one can find joy. From that day on, the village was never the same. The people lived with lighter hearts, quick to smile and laugh. The story of the three laughing monks became a cherished tale, passed down through generations. A symbol of the simple but profound power of joy. Closing remarks. This story is a beautiful reminder that laughter and joy can transcend even the most difficult situations, and that happiness is often a matter of perspective. The Three Laughing Monks teach us to take life a little less seriously and to embrace the joy in every moment.